Hello friends, today I have this parcel for this lazy bracket for mobile phones. I just imported it straightly from Hong Kong. You can see it is from Hong Kong. So let's go with this. We will unbox it. Yes, here it is. Lazy bracket mobile phone. Yeah, I imported two machines, but as one for me and one for my brother. And right now I'll show you what is there in exact one box. Yes, here we are with lazy bracket mobile phones. We are going to unbox it. Yes, you can see on its front image how can we hold respective mobiles with this. Usually keeping mobile anywhere and to just have to look in it is quite difficult, so we'll go for this. These are the various installation procedures I also shown here. Yes, so let's unbox it. Yeah, this is the metal wire we can see in it. It's very hard. Yes, it's taking very huge power. At one end it is having the ball like aperture, and the other end is the clip. The clip is inside the having the rubber sheet for the holding, firm holding. Yes, and the clip is very firm. You can see over here. It's required lots of strength to make it push and open. Yes, yeah. This is along with this we have this stand and this clip. Okay, so I think this stand is for holding for car or surface holding purpose. You can see the rubber clip here. Yes, it is. So we'll look after it after some time. Yes, first of all our main agenda is this is the clip, and this is the nut and bolt socket for it. So yeah, as shown in the diagram, we have to mount it on this screw for this that ball like aperture to make a firm package. Yeah, yes, so we'll start. Here we have inserted it. Try to form it this way. This, yes, it is. Now just bolt it on. Yeah, exactly, we have bolted. Yes, it is quite firm. So yeah, now it is very hard. Even we cannot rotate. It gives us a 360 direction, 360 angle, so that we can use it by anywhere by just lose it and rotate it, like neck like 360-degree view. Not exactly 360, we can get maximum angle covered in it. Okay. Yes. Coming to point, we can hold our smartphones, mobile phones through it. Yes, here it is. Exactly what we can see. Just bend it so to make it very firm. Yes. Yeah, look, this can handle my phone very well. You can see the various angles how I'm using it. When it attached to particular, why not to attach it to table only. Yes. Here it is. Yes, attach it to table. Yeah, here you can see how it is. I can rotate it to any degree. Yes, play videos and smartphones through it. Yeah, so we can do it very well. So I think this is very useful to the persons having no camera stands. We can also tie cameras to it. Yes, and we can move it like this for shooting purpose. Look, this is the camera. Just be confined that you should not click buttons to it. Oh, it's showing. Yeah, now the camera is on. Now I can shoot from anywhere I want. For the smartphones it is the best opportunity. Yes, I can shoot any view, any point like this. Yes, you can see my hand. There is keys through it. We can shoot, can capture, everything we can do. With just simple mobile. That's it. Yes, friends. So this is very good, friendly tool and cost effective too. It is not that much costly what we thought of. Yes, so this was about this stand, and now we'll talk about this other tabletop stand we are giving. So we just unscrew this stand from here. Yes, it's little tougher, and here come out here. So here it is the table stand. Table stand, you can mount it to the glass of your car. Just like this. Just put it inside. Just put it, click it, and yes, right now it's ready. So just make it firm. Attach to it to your nearby glass. Form it. Yes, here it is. I can hold it like anyhow how I want it. Yes, now you can see. Yeah, so now the mobile brackets or mobile phone stand will help you with such kind of degree rotation, and that too are very costly as compared to this one. Yes, friends. Yeah, so that's very good deal. I thought with this stand I can use my mobile phone as a camera. Yeah, so best of luck, friends. Have a good day.